Earwax buildup is the primary culprit behind muffled sound and reduced bass in AirPods. Cleaning restores audio quality, improving frequency response by 10 to 20 dB in blocked units. Neglecting cleaning can lead to costly repairs, like replacing clogged mesh grills for $99. Maintaining your AirPods is crucial for both sound quality and device longevity. Regular cleaning extends AirPod lifespan by 20%. Prioritize dryness and gentleness in cleaning your AirPods. Use a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth or Apple's polishing cloth. For ear tips, use a damp cloth with distilled water. Avoid Q-tips, toothbrushes, alcohol, soap, and compressed air, as these can cause damage. Remember Apple's mantra, clean, don't scrub. Start by powering off and disconnecting your AirPods from any device to ensure safety during cleaning. Next, gently wipe the exteriors of your AirPods with a dry, soft cloth to remove dust and fingerprints. Gently twist off the silicone ear tips, clean them with a damp cloth, then allow them to air dry completely before reattaching. Use a soft, dry brush like a makeup brush for cleaning crevices. Never insert tools into charging ports or speaker grills to avoid damage. When cleaning AirPods, certain practices can cause significant damage. Let's examine what to avoid. Avoid using liquids excessively. AirPods are water-resistant, not waterproof. Don't use sharp objects or abrasive materials. They can scratch the surface. Avoid isopropyl alcohol. It can damage the coating, causing discoloration and reduce touch sensitivity. Never submerge AirPods in any liquid. Even water can cause internal damage. The charging case can also accumulate dirt and debris. Use a dry, soft cloth to wipe the exterior. For stubborn dirt, slightly dampen the cloth with distilled water. Ensure the case is completely dry before placing the AirPods back inside. The 2024 models feature antimicrobial coatings, reducing bacterial buildup. For hardened earwax buildup on AirPods, gently soften it with a slightly damp cloth using distilled water. Avoid applying excessive pressure or inserting anything into the speaker grill. Persistence and patience are key. In severe cases, consider seeking professional cleaning services, but try gentle methods first. Audiologists recommend surface-level cleaning to avoid eardrum damage from residue entering ear canals. Apple advises against using third-party cleaning kits due to damage reports. Weekly microfiber wipes are recommended to extend AirPod lifespan and maintain sound fidelity. Err on the side of caution and use gentle methods. Future AirPods may feature AI-assisted maintenance with audio diagnostics to detect wax buildup. The EU's sustainability directive may lead to self-cleaning earbuds. Future AirPods might integrate UVC light for sterilization, reducing cleaning-related failures by 30% as AI diagnostics become standard. Look for eco-friendly and antimicrobial trends in future models.